Ever tapped on a link and it opened in the wrong browser? If you prefer Chrome, Safari, or any other browser, but your iPhone or iPad keeps opening something else, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your default browser on your iPhone or iPad. Just follow the steps as shown in the video. And that's how you change your default browser on your iPhone or iPad. Simple, quick, done. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one.